outside, cold rain fell, but within was your smile and the Jeon's warmth. Sitting down, that hand that chose, remember, like the Pajeon you first ordered. Oh, Pajeon, destiny of rainy days, fried to gold, wearing its crispy coat, shared with a glass of Makgeolli with you. Our first exclamation, ah, melodies, swells and present intertwine. Ah, a tear fall, a secret tear. Is it for the taste or for that day? The sizzling sound I cannot forget. That warm day, that warmth, that charm, our shared memory in a piece of charm. Then you chose spicy temptation, Kimchijeon. Like its red face, your cheeks too were slightly flushed with laughter. Taking a bite, that sound pure. Our story then was like the taste of kimchi, hot and honest. Ah, a tear fall, emotion rising. Ah, a tear fall, trying hard to hide. Is it for the spiciness or for that moment? A glass of Makgeolli, the rainy window pane, your gaze, the hand that held mine, in a piece of Kimchijeon, our time together. And soft and tender, Yukjeon joins the scene. Thin slices baked in golden egg, a savory sigh like the cow's gentle low, tasted with your smile in the quiet warmth. While the rain drummed outside, we were safe within. Now look, the platter overflows. Modumjeon, a universe for us. Pajeon, Pajeon, Yukjeon, all arrayed. A symphony of textures, taste and forms. My eyes devoured you before my lips could taste. All the moment, the grand culmination. All the world's noise vanished, only us and Jeon and Makgeolli remain. That happiness, that fullness, how could I ever forget? The tear still doesn't cease, because the Jeon is too delicious. Perhaps, no, because I miss you from that day so very much. This sizzling sound I miss, and it hurts.